Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best foods for a healthy detox. Whether you're looking to cleanse your body or simply boost your overall health, these foods are fantastic options to include in your diet. Let's get started. First up, we have green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are packed with chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins from the bloodstream and supports liver function. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals that enhance your body's natural detoxification processes. Next, we have citrus fruits. Lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are excellent sources of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps convert toxins into a water-soluble form that can be easily eliminated from your body. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water can kickstart your metabolism and aid in digestion. Garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to detoxifying foods. It activates liver enzymes that help break down toxins, and it's also rich in sulfur compounds that support liver health. Plus, it has antimicrobial properties that promote a healthy gut. Green tea is another great detoxifier. It's loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which enhance liver function and increase the production of detoxification enzymes. Swap your regular cup of coffee with green tea for a gentle detox boost. Beets are fantastic for detoxification. They contain betaine and pectin, which help protect the liver and digestive system. Beets also support detoxification by increasing enzymatic activity and bile flow, aiding in the breakdown and excretion of toxic waste. Avocados are rich in glutathione, a compound that blocks at least 30 different carcinogens while helping the liver detoxify synthetic chemicals. They're also full of healthy fats that help absorb fat-soluble vitamins and nutrients. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are crucial for detox. They're high in fiber and antioxidants, and they contain sulfur compounds that support liver detoxification processes. These veggies can be steamed, roasted, or added to a variety of dishes. There you have it, folks. Some of the best foods for a healthy detox. Incorporating these into your daily diet can help cleanse your body, boost your energy, and improve your overall well-being. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.